Ikundi mwanya mwanya ibigwatanirite na Ripples International kiregerera kuthomithia antu mantu jege NDWA KIMUCII amwe na yubya KUREO KIRINTHUKI MBITHI ukinyaniria untu bubu ntumiri iji nibetete mwankanteri chege mbabagituma irio thuku bwa NDWA KIMUCII onde campaign iji etite na mbere nangina kusibitari life care ni gwatanirite na skuru ya KIMUCII kweja na mibira ya gutuma ndugu cha kiwendo iri njira ya kurigiria yubya KUREO.
Nikirintiko 16 cha gutigira mingi jo kumenya mandu jo tigana NDWA kinja ngorano ciana banini na kinya kaira na banini kuonana bariana na kinya kurigiria murimo jo mukingo aja nandiki kundi ka Ripples kigwatanite na tutiriba kioto betha bakithia musafara ja gutigira bakumithia mwingi mandu jaja
kento kira kerigaretie meru tweja kegutana twana tware twina namba tweja gwa kugura twana tutikinyetie miaka twina namba tweja kwethera twina kudhurumu mwanaume twina namba tweja kire gender based violence kire akoro twina namba narwa toruga break the silence wadhurumu ugakira wona mwana ntorene akigurwa atikinyetie miaka ugeria wona mwana gwati Kenya mama mtu murume mukuru kewe ugeria no ntumaisha ja mwana ubwaja.
Meru is known for many good things. But when we get these grim statistics, yesterday we held the World AIDS Day, and everybody was talking about Meru because of the early pregnancies. If among 100 women who are giving birth, more than a quarter, in other places more than a half are our teenagers. Well, what is the future of those teenagers? What is the future of our children?
Kona kuririra antu betu ba Meru twe bora cia tafadhali batido twire twicie irresponsibility ya mtu mukuru kutirira njewe, but now bila tukuona ndene county ya Meru ni opposite. Akuru asiari baba kumama na twana twao antu arume kinyaba akuru mbere na twatura tukumenya mwana no community, lakini thai mwana no muntu nyasi ari bakugwata twana twao akoro iba kumama na twana tura tubatere kwithira twao as a community. Kwa hivyo watu kuromba ntikwena county government ya Meru turioria itobu antu ba Meru resident bonde ba Meru itotirire twana twetu tware na tweje na kinyanto ekoro ndene Meru twakikishe bate okulokera any gender based violence.
Amana bubu kungi alitoba skuru ya KIMUCII University bagwatanite na sibitari life care aya kuma mutina joka ngangi petha bakirani nanto mwanya mwanya bakenda kubaita na mandu jegi nya mebire gutuma ndugu cia kiwendo irinjire mwe kurigirinya kugwatamwe munya mukingo.
We are at the premises of the Life Care Hospital, and it is a historic day because yesterday we all celebrated the World AIDS Day, and as you can see I am having the students from KIMUCII University with me. So Life Care Hospitals Meru have joined their hands with KIMUCII University, and what these students are going to do today is they are going to create an awareness and a preventive drive. They are going to meet our patients and they are going to distribute condoms. This particular ailment of AIDS and HIV virus, it is getting bigger and bigger as a demon in the society, and we really want our society and the societal leaders to come in front so that we can eradicate this particular ailment throughout from our society. We need to wipe it off, and for that particular reason the students of KIMUCII University today are here helping us and creating more awareness within our patients.
And I believe that together we can ensure that this ailment is eradicated. But first of all, I would like that each and every one of us who gets this message today, that we follow all the necessary preventive measures, including abstaining, including the use of protective measures, including condoms, because we have found that majority of the people who have been affected, as we have statistics from hospitals all around, including life care, we find that we have the highest number of people who are affected being the sex workers and also these drug users who use injectables. So we would like to encourage the young people. We can be a very important aspect in ensuring that we manage this disease and we keep our community safe.
Nkiripotera, weekend,